Could it be possible that when the stock market plunges, some are raking in profits? How might that be, you ask? Well, there's a tool called the SQQQ ETF that allows investors to do just that. But what exactly is this tool and how does it work? First things first, ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. And this is a type of investment fund, an exchange traded product traded on stock exchanges. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but they trade like a common stock on a stock exchange. SQQQ is the ticker symbol for the ProShares Ultra Pro Short QQQ ETF. This ETF is designed to move in the opposite direction of the Nasdaq 100 index. To put it plainly, if the Nasdaq 100 index goes down, SQQQ is designed to go up and vice versa. So how does SQQQ achieve this? It uses a variety of financial instruments, including futures contracts and swaps, to create a leveraged position against the Nasdaq 100. It's important to note that SQQQ is a leveraged ETF. This means it aims to mimic the inverse of the daily performance of the Nasdaq 100 index, but amplified by 3 times. For example, if the Nasdaq 100 drops by 1% in a single day, the SQ aims to rise by 3%. Conversely, if the Nasdaq 100 rises by 1%, the SQ aims to drop by 3%. This is why it's often used as a hedge against falling markets. To wrap up, here are the key points about the SQQQ ETF. First, it's a leveraged ETF that aims to move in the opposite direction of the Nasdaq 100 index, tripled. This means it can provide substantial returns during a market downturn, but it can also lead to significant losses if the market rises. Second, it uses a variety of financial instruments to achieve this inverse relationship with the Nasdaq 100. Third, it's often used as a hedge against falling markets. This means it can be a useful tool for investors who believe the market is about to take a downturn. In a nutshell, the SQ ETF can be a potentially lucrative tool during a market downturn. However, like any investment, it's not without its risks. So, always remember to do your due diligence and seek professional advice before diving in. After all, the stock market is a tricky beast, but with the right knowledge and tools, it can be tamed.